Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel Star Food. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a delicious breakfast known as French toast. So let's get into it by cracking an egg into a bowl. Whisk the egg very well. This is a go-through breakfast that I always prefer to make for my family as it requires only 5 ingredients. So next I'm gonna add some vanilla extract into it. Then I will add some milk powder and some sugar. Then mix all the ingredients together and make sure there is no lumps being created. At the end, I'll pour some 250 ml of milk into the mixture and then again whisk it very well. And now let's take it to the stove area. Let's move to the next part. On medium to low flame, add some ghee or butter as you like. I have used in the video ghee. And let it get heat up. Meantime, take a bread and soak it into your liquid mixture. Once your bread has soaked enough liquid, then put it onto the pan. Once the French toast has turned golden brown, we'll take it out of the pan. With this liquid mixture, you will be able to make at least 8 to 9 French toast. Try making this at your home for your beloved ones to fulfill their tummy with this amazing French toast. It requires only 15 minutes of your time to make and serve it.